Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy A12s and I'm gonna show you how to change aspect ratio in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. Here let's focus on this settings bar. We have to tap to the second from the right button to get access to our aspect ratio. We are now in 3 and 4. 3 and 4 is also available with 48 megapixels, the best possible resolution here, so this is how to get access to it. Now let's move to 9 and 16, and as you can see the background has changed, so we get access now to longer ratio. Another tap to the second from the right button and we can pick also 1 and 1 ratio, so the square one, and here we get access also to the full one, so now we can see the full camera frame. And of course, when we tap to the second from the right button once again, we can pick whatever we need. Now let me go back to 3 and 4, the original one. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.